Hi guys, this will be a short video on RCA non-shortening and shortening caps which are used to block noise. So basically I've reviewed these are regular RCA caps, gold plated, a while ago, and there was some discussion in the comments that supposedly the caps that are able to short both wires, both connectors are better. So I decided to give them a try. I got some of them. Actually, I got a bag of them. I've tried them, and before I compare them, just for the viewers that are here for the first time, why are we talking about this? The idea is that if you have RCA connectors in the back of your equipment, when all of your power cables are lying, when all of different types of EMI coming from Wi-Fi, cellular phones, etc., can be picked up by your bare RCA plugs, you can buy and use some kind of noise caps like these. These are made of metal and they are gold plated, and the idea is that you plug them onto your RCA connector, and this will shield, because it's metal, it will shield the signal, the internal connector, the inside connector of the RCA plug. So these are working like shields. I've tested them and they seem to be working, but the effect is very minuscule. And it's actually the place that I've heard the effect the most is my audio video receiver, Cambridge Audio 751R V2, which has something like, I don't know, 50 inputs and outputs using RCA connectors. So when I kept most of them, basically all of them that I haven't been using, I've actually had the improvement in sound. So the discussion was about these. Are these better? Well, the first thing is that you need to remember that you cannot use these on the outputs. You can use these only on inputs. The idea is that they will short the signal connector to the ground connector, thus ensuring that you'll have zero information, zero noise on input signal connector. But you can never ever use them on outputs, because you would short the output signal to the ground, and you would probably burn something inside of your equipment, inside of your amplifier, digital to analog converter, or maybe audio video receiver. So these ones, I still recommend them for outputs. But yes, it's actually true, these are better when used on inputs, especially analog inputs. When you short unused inputs to the ground, and you'll make sure this way that there is no stray signal, no EMI interference, nothing like that entering the signal path with input, it actually sounds better. Again, the effect is minuscule, but on highly transparent systems, and my system is unfortunately highly transparent, unfortunately because it always hurts my wallet, because I can hear every change of cable, wire, everything. I'm using Martin Logan electrostatic speakers with two monoblock power amplifiers. So these are very transparent, and actually, I can actually hear that blocking RCA inputs with these gives some small effect. How would I describe the effect? The effect is that it seems like the background gets darker. By that I mean that you're able to discern small, minuscule details of music, some spatial cues better. So the effect is positive. These are quite cheap. I think I've paid something like $10 for 12 of them, something like that. I link into the description to both offers for these and these, because remember, do not use these, do not use these on outputs. These ones you can use both on outputs and inputs, but the effect is there, but in case of inputs, the effect is better with these ones. But these ones can be used only and only on inputs. Never use them on outputs. And that's it. If you have any questions, if you'd like to discuss something, please make your comment into the comment section of this video. The last time we had some nice, interesting talk about both options, and that's why I got these. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this short and small video, and I hope you'll have a great day ahead of you. See you next time.